This one line, agent.invoke, looks simple, but behind it, LangChain runs a whole hidden process, like a waiter quietly coordinating an entire kitchen. Let's open the curtain. It starts like ordering food at a restaurant. The customer, our user, just asks a question. Now the AI has to figure out how to actually answer it. The first invoke isn't the answer, it's the AI thinking. Like a waiter pausing before yelling into the kitchen, "Wait, do I already know this, or do I need to go check?" The AI decides it can't answer from memory, it needs live data, so it writes an order slip. Get weather, for Boston. This is called a tool call. Here's the key part. The AI never touches the outside world directly. LangChain is the kitchen staff. It takes the order slip and actually runs the tool. The kitchen finishes cooking. The tool sends back a clean result, 72 degrees and sunny in Boston. LangChain wraps the result in something called a ToolMessage and tags it with a matching ID, like a receipt number, so the AI knows exactly which order this answers. That receipt gets added to the running conversation. Now the full story, question, request, and result is all in one place. LangChain calls invoke a second time, this time handing the AI everything it needs, including the real weather data. Now the AI has everything it needs, so it replies in plain language. Order delivered, just like a waiter bringing the dish back to the table. All 5 of those steps? A LangChain agent handles them for you behind one line of code. You just call agent.invoke, no manual waiter to kitchen coordination required. This loop, think, request, execute, respond, is the heartbeat of every agent you'll ever build. Once you see it here, you'll spot it in every agent framework you touch next.